Now we discuss about nutrition. What is a nutrition? Nutrition means supply of essential organic and inorganic chemical compound like protein, vitamin, salt, water, mineral, etc. to the body. All such chemical compounds are called a nutrient. Food. What is the definition of a food? Food is any substance which we eat or drink and which contain nutrient. For example of a food like milk, bread, egg, fish, apple, etc. Then what is diet? The combination of food items which we eat in our meal are called diet. A balanced diet is one which includes all items which supply all necessary nutrients. Meal is the food taken at one time to satisfy our appetites. Appetites means the desire to eat, and hunger is the uneasy sensation due to lack of food. Then, what is the importance of a nutrition or why we intake nutrient? All living organisms require food. It is needed for main six purposes or the importance of a nutrition. For growth require energy, maintenance of body, provision of raw material and protection. First, growth, building of new protoplasm or cell for the growth, repair, it is providing material for the repair of worn out or injured cell to recover it, and energy, it is providing energy needed by the body to carry out the various functions of our body. Then maintenance of a chemical composition of the cell, nutrient are required. Provision of raw material, it helps in synthesis of DNA, RNA, protein, enzyme, sweat, milk, etc. in our body. Then protection. Nutrition helps in protection our body from disease and infection from microorganism. Then classification of a nutrient or a food substance. Nutrients are classified into 6 categories or 6 classes. These are carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral, salt, vitamin and water. First we discuss about carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are compound of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is made up of with hydrogen and oxygen always in ratio 2:1. They are oxidized in the cell to release energy. Carbohydrates are included starch, sugar, cellulose, etc. What is sugar? Sugar is a compound or chemical compound which is soluble in cold water and taste in sweet. Broadly, sugar in our body, sugar in our food are two major categories. One is monosaccharide, another is disaccharide, and another form it is called polysaccharide. Monosaccharide or single or simple sugar with a general chemical formula C6H12O6. The chemical formula C6H12O6 is glucose. These no need digestion and they are directly absorbed in our body. These monosaccharide again different types like glucose, fructose, galactose. Glucose, popularly known as grape sugar, is the most common and simplest sugar found in organism. When we say blood sugar, it means the level of sugar present in or glucose present in our blood. Then fructose is the common in a plant and popularly called fruit sugar. Then galactose is another simple sugar found in milk. Then disaccharide or double sugar, when two sugar molecules combine with each other to form disaccharide or double sugar. The chemical formula of disaccharide or double sugar is C12, H22 or 11. These are three category. These are also three and require for these are required for digestion in our body. First, we say sucrose. Sucrose is a commercial sugar. It is commonly obtained from sugarcane in our country. Another source of sucrose is sugar beet. Sucrose is a double sugar made up of two molecules of sugar is called glucose and fructose. When we intake sucrose as a food in our intake as a food in our body, it is divided into glucose and fructose by digesting an enzyme sucrase. Maltose or malt sugar made up of two molecules of glucose. Then lactose or milk sugar is made up of by one molecule of glucose and one molecule of lactose. Then we discuss about starch. Starch, it is insoluble carbohydrate. It is in the form of plant. It is in the form of in the form that a plant commonly store carbohydrate. Then carbohydrate protein, potatoes carbohydrate in which plant like potato grain, rice, maize, wheat, barley, and bread are the chief source of starch. Starch has a chemical formula C6H10O5 whole to the power whole bracket n means n is equal to 1 2 3 4 this like, and it is called polysaccharide because a number of monosaccharides combine to form a long chain which is called polysaccharide. Two other insoluble polysaccharide carbohydrates are cellulose and glycogen. Cellulose found in the cell wall of a plant. It is unused in our body, but it contributes in providing roughage for proper functioning of the gut. Then second is which is stored in the animals. Is the form in which carbohydrates are stored in the animal, mainly liver and some also in muscles. Then we discuss about fat. Fat are also composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen content in these nutrients is much less. They provide more energy than carbohydrate. Do 1 mole of fat release 9.45 kilocalorie energy. Common foods are rich in fat are butter, cream, vegetable oil, fat of milk, meat, and fish, liver, oil. Fat and oil are made up of fatty acid and glycerol. What is the function of fat? Now, fat produce energy in the body like carbohydrate. It is an important storage form of food. It is served as a solvent for the soluble of fat soluble vitamin for the dissolve of fat soluble vitamins. Fat under the skin protect body against rapid loss of heat and then we discuss about protein. What is protein? Now protein are large chemical molecules. They are contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most essential element in protein. Some proteins may also contain sulfur and phosphorus. Amino acids are the simple and smallest unit of a protein. Protein provide chemical material for the growth, repair of body cell and tissue. In the emergency, they may also oxidize to release energy like carbohydrate. Food are rich in protein includes lean meat, fat-free muscle, fish egg, milk, cheese, nuts, bean, peas, etc. Deficiency of protein leads to weakness, but its severe deficiency causes to diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus. What is kwashiorkor? Kwashiorkor, it is a severe protein deficiency disease usually affecting in young children. This disease is caused when mothers stop breastfeeding to their babies at an early age and the child is given a diet poor in protein. Mother's milk is rich in protein, and after weaning, the child is given to diet mainly consisting of carbohydrate and poor in protein. Due to deficiency of protein, these diseases occur at the age before 5 years. Due to this disease, the suffering child may be die before 5 years. What is the symptom of kwashiorkor? Due to the symptom of kwashiorkor, or we can identify this disease by showing this symptom are underweight, belly protruding out, skin getting dark and scaly, stunted growth, loss of appetites, repeated diarrhea, enlarged liver and anemia. Edema or swelling of feet and face due to accumulation of water in the tissue of feet and face. How to control this disease? This disease we can control by supplying protein-rich diet like pulse, milk, egg, fish, meat. A mixed diet of wheat, gram, peanut, soybean, jaggery also useful for this disease. Next, we discuss about marasmus disease. Marasmus usually affect infant below the age of 1 year due to the deficiency of carbohydrate, fat and protein in the diet. In case of marasmus, this disease occurs due to deficiency of protein. But in case of kwashiorkor, this disease occurs due to deficiency of protein. But in case of marasmus, this disease occurs due to deficiency of carbohydrate, fat, protein in the diet. This disease is caused due to sudden stoppage of breastfeeding, followed by diet poor in energy-giving food like carbohydrate, fat, and protein. What are the symptoms of marasmus? The symptom of this disease is loss of body weight, degeneration resulting in the very weak body, as if form the muscle, skin or bone only, skin become loosely folded, thin face, thinning of limb, irritated physical and mental growth, hip appearing prominently in the belly. Then what is the difference of marasmus and kwashiorkor? One sort of question, it may become in examination. What is the difference between marasmus and kwashiorkor? In case of kwashiorkor, it is affecting children from 1 to 5 year age. It is due to the deficiency of protein in diet, edema of leg and face due to accumulation of water. The skin of the patient become dark or scaly. No degeneration of the muscle. In case of marasmus, it affects infant up to 1 year of age. It is due to deficiency of carbohydrate, protein and fat in the diet. No edema, no darkening of the skin, degeneration of the muscle with body become very weak and reappearing prominently. These are the difference between marasmus and kwashiorkor. How to control marasmus? The children suffering from marasmus should be given diet rich in protein, carbohydrate and fat. Next, we discuss about mineral salt. Mineral salt are also essential for our growth and development. Mineral salt are needed in diet in small quantity. Table salt contain mainly sodium chloride. Many other mineral elements obtained from various foodstuffs such as green vegetable and fruit. Some important mineral and their function is given. Calcium and phosphorus. These are required for strengthening of bone and teeth. Calcium also required for the process of blood clotting. Phosphorus is required for various chemical reaction and the production of ATP or chemical energy. What is the full form of ATP? The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. During self-respiration, ATP is released in glycolysis in Krebs cycle. A rich source of calcium and phosphorus is milk, meat, egg, fish, pulse, and vegetable. Then iron. Iron is required for forming of hemoglobin. Due to deficiency of iron occurs disease which is called anemia. What is the source of iron? Now, green leafy vegetable, liver, these are meat, these are rich in source of iron. Iodine we found in vegetable, mineral and water. Due to deficiency of iron, a disease occurs which is called goiter. Then potassium and sodium are also help in cell permeability, especially in nerve cell. The source of sodium and potassium is most of food and table salt. Then vitamin. What are vitamin? Vitamin are a chemical substance which is needed in a minute quantity for the maintenance of a healthy body. Most of vitamin act as a catalyst or enzyme in the essential chemical changes in the body, but these vitamins are a special function in our body. Vitamin are contained in the food naturally, but a couple of vitamins are synthesized in our body by the help of some microorganisms like E. coli bacteria, which help in synthesis of vitamin B12 in our body by digesting some starch like cellulose type of food. Vitamins are divided into two categories based on their solubility. One is water soluble vitamin, another is fat soluble vitamin. Water soluble vitamin are vitamin B complex and vitamin C, and fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, K. The absence or shortage of a vitamin, some disease occurs in our body. These are given in the table. Vitamin. These are given in the table. Vitamin A, or which chemical name is retinol. Due to deficiency of vitamin A, disease occurs which is called night blindness or xerophthalmia. Then vitamin D. Due to deficiency of vitamin D, rickets and osteomalacia occurs. Osteomalacia occurs in case of adult and rickets occurs in case of children. Then vitamin E, which chemical name is tocopherol. Due to deficiency of vitamin E, sterile in rats occurs. And vitamin K, due to deficiency of vitamin K, which is called phyloquinone. Due to deficiency of vitamin K, a disease occurs which is called hemorrhage. Then water soluble vitamin. Due to deficiency of vitamin B1 or vitamin B complex, here details given about vitamin B complex like vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B11, B12. Due to deficiency of vitamin B1, disease occurs which is called beriberi. Due to vitamin deficiency of B3, a disease occurs pellagra. Due to deficiency of vitamin B11, disease occurs anemia. Due to deficiency of vitamin B12, a disease occurs which is called pernicious anemia or severe anemia coupled with great weakness and gastrointestinal disturbance, degeneration of spinal cord. Due to vitamin C or ascorbic acid, a disease occurs which is called scurvy. Here students, you need to remember about the chemical name of a vitamin. All vitamin like vitamin, the chemical name of a vitamin B A is retinol, vitamin D calciferol, vitamin E tocopherol, vitamin K phyloquinone, vitamin B1 is called thiamine, vitamin B2 riboflavin, vitamin B3 niacin, vitamin B5 pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 pyridoxine, vitamin B11 folic acid, vitamin B12 cobalamin, and vitamin C is called ascorbic acid. Okay. Next we discuss about the deficiency of minerals and which type of disease occurs due to deficiency of a mineral. Due to deficiency of a calcium, rickets occurs, which due to rickets, poor skeletal growth. Due to deficiency of sodium, muscular cramp, nerve impulse do not get transmitted, nerve impulse due to get transmitted. Due to potassium, nerve impulse is not get transmitted. Due to deficiency of phosphorus in phosphate, bone soft occurs or bone become weak. Due to deficiency of magnesium, increase irritability of nervous system. Due to deficiency of sulfur or in sulfate, skin problem occurs. Due to deficiency of chlorine, muscular cramp occurs. Then due to deficiency of iron, anemia occurs. Due to deficiency of cobalt, pernicious anemia occurs. Due to deficiency of copper, loss of body weight occurs and anemia. Due to deficiency of zinc, irritated growth, skin lesion, albinism. Due to deficiency of iodine, goiter occurs or cretinism occurs. Due to deficiency of fluoride, dental decay occurs. Due to deficiency of manganese, poor bone development. Due to deficiency of molybdenum, slight retardation of growth. And the source of minerals and their function given in the table. Then what is the function of water? Water is the important nutrient which is required, or food is required for our body. And in aquatic condition or aqueous condition, several biochemical or all biochemical reaction or biochemical process occurs in our body. It acts as a good solvent in our body for 1,000 substances, both organic and inorganic. It is used to produce digestive juice. It helps in the transportation of digestive food and oxygen throughout the body. It is used for excretion of soluble waste. It is involved in the maintenance of the body temperature. Due to loss and replacement of water, how it occurs? The water is regularly lost in the form of sweat, urine, and water vapor in breath. Therefore, most constantly replaced. The liquid we drink and our food, such as fruit, vegetables which we eat, supply water to the body. Still, we should drink sufficient water in every day. Okay. This table showing how much energy required for different people. Like an adult labor, it require 3,500 kilocalorie per day. A clerk require 1,800 to 2,500 kilocalorie. A child about 6 years require 1,100 kilocalorie energy per day. An adult lying at a rest requires 1,600 kilocalorie energy per day, and a woman at a complete rest require 1,450 kilocalorie energy per day. What is a malnutrition? Now, malnutrition is the condition in which a person suffers due to lack or deficiency of one or more essential element in the food. Okay. Then we discuss about question next time.